Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable portable hotspot on your POCO X6 Pro. So let's start by opening the settings, and there we're going to the portable hotspot right here. And so to turn it on, you just simply need to tap on this toggle, and when it's blue, it means that it's on, and here you will receive notification that your hotspot is on. And to disable your hotspot, you just simply need to tap again on the same toggle like this. And also I will show you some interesting settings, what you can do with your hotspot. So let's do it. We're gonna press on setup portable hotspot, and here you can change your hotspot name and you can choose your password like this, by just adding or deleting something. And also you can select security protocol by tapping here, and here you can select the frequency range. And also you can make your Wi-Fi network hidden just by simply turning it on or like this. So your Wi-Fi connection, your hotspot, will be hidden from others. We don't need it right now. And to confirm your changes, you just simply need to press on the tick in the right corner of your screen like this. And also I'm gonna show you some more interesting settings. So one-time data limit. You can set the data transfer limit after which the network will disconnect or just send a notification like this. We just need to press on this toggle, and here you can even choose the size of data, or you can make it custom and just tap on the choice you would like, and here you can write the data. So, and as I told you, you can receive notification and it can turn off. So here you can decide, would you like only get notification, or you would like to turn off your hotspot and notify you. You just simply need to press on your choice, and you don't need to confirm anything after that. You're just going back. And also I will show you some more as managing list of connecting devices to your cell phone. So right here, connected devices, and here is limit of connected devices. You can choose from 1 to 6 devices that can connect to your device at the same time. And also here you can see a block list. It means that here you can add some devices that you don't want to connect to your device. And also I forgot to tell you that you can even share QR code with your friends, so it would be easier to them to connect to your hotspot. So they don't need to write your password, they just simply gonna use their phone to scan your QR code. Cool, right? So, and when you're done, you just tap on done, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.